Quizzes offer several benefits for school students, helping to enhance their learning experience. Some of the key benefits include 1. Active learning. Quizzes engage students actively in the learning process by encouraging them to recall and apply what they've learned, rather than just passively listening to lectures. 2. Knowledge reinforcement. By testing students' knowledge on a subject, quizzes help reinforce key concepts and improve retention of information. 3. Immediate feedback. Quizzes provide instant feedback to both students and teachers. Students can see where they went wrong and understand their mistakes, while teachers can identify areas where students may need further instruction. 4. Motivation. A well-designed quiz can motivate students to study more effectively and prepare thoroughly for lessons, fostering a sense of accomplishment when they perform well. 5. Builds confidence. Successfully answering quiz questions helps build students' confidence in their knowledge, which can enhance their participation and performance in future lessons. 6. Critical thinking and problem solving. Quizzes often require students to think critically and apply their understanding of concepts, promoting problem-solving skills. 7. Assessment tool. Quizzes serve as an effective assessment tool for teachers to gauge student progress, identify learning gaps, and adjust their teaching strategies accordingly. 8. Time management. Quizzes with time limits help students practice managing their time efficiently, which is essential for exams and real-life situations. 9. Encourages healthy competition. When quizzes are conducted in groups or classes, they foster healthy competition among students, encouraging them to improve and perform better. 10. Variety in learning. Quizzes can be designed in different formats, such as multiple choice, true, false, or short answer, offering students a varied and engaging way to learn. Incorporating quizzes into the classroom can make learning more dynamic and enjoyable while providing a deeper understanding of the material.